Hey, new parents and caregivers, the safety of your newborn is your #1 priority. And when you're on the road, that means choosing the perfect car seat. But with so many options out there, how do you find the one that balances top-tier safety, comfort, and easy installation? We've done the deep dive. We've tested the top-rated infant carriers, analyzed crash test results, and listened to real parent reviews. Stick around to see our definitive picks for the best infant car seats of the year, ensuring your little one is always safe and snug. Product number 1, Graco Snug Ride Lite LX Infant Car Seat. Experience Graco's Snug Ride Lite LX Infant Car Seat. Infant car seat helps protect rear-facing infants 4 to 30 pounds and up to 32 inches. Lightweight infant car seat weighs only 7.2 pounds, making it easy to carry baby from car to stroller. 4-position adjustable base helps ensure an accurate install and helps keep baby comfortable as he or she grows. May not be suitable for all product users. Some users might prefer different features. Product number 2, Graco Extend to Fit Convertible Baby Car Seat. Experience Graco Extend to Fit Convertible Baby Car Seat. Convertible car seat grows with your child from rear-facing harness 4 to 50 pounds to forward-facing harness 26.5 to 65 pounds. Extend to Fit 4-position adjustable extension panel provides up to 5-inch additional legroom, allowing your child to safely ride rear-facing longer. Up to 50 pounds rear-facing, allowing your child to safely ride rear-facing longer. May not be suitable for all product users. Some users might prefer different features. Product number 3, Baby Trend Easy Lift Pro Infant Car Seat. Experience Baby Trend Easy Lift Pro Infant Car Seat. This car seat is lightweight and offers easy mobility. The car seat is equipped with deep side wings for advanced protection with head and bottom inserts to keep baby comfortable and well supported. May not be suitable for all product users. Some users might prefer different features. Check latest price. Product number 4, Graco Snug Ride Snug Fit Infant Car Seat. Experience Graco Snug Ride Snug Fit Infant Car Seat. Snug Ride performance helps protect rear-facing infants from 4 to 30 pounds and up to 32 inches. Anti-rebound bar provides an additional layer of rear-facing safety. Snug Ride performance helps protect rear-facing infants from 4 to 30 pounds and up to 32 inches. Headrest and harness adjust together while your child is in the seat with the front adjust no rethread Simply Safe Adjust harness system. May not be suitable for all product users. Some users might prefer different features. Product number 5, Baby Trend Secure Lift Infant Car Seat. Experience Baby Trend Secure Lift Infant Car Seat. 6-position, easy adjust headrest and harness to support your growing baby. Delta carrying handle for multiple carrying positions. 6-position, easy adjust headrest and harness to support your growing baby. Delta carrying handle for multiple carrying positions. Built-in Pro side grip with comfort accent for ergonomic carrying, taking the strain off your back. May not be suitable for all product users. Some users might prefer different features.